Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ilham Luri Ramadan. I will read my report about the presentation from the parallel session during English EduTicon in Unja, 23rd October 2025. So, in those presentation, we have to ask one question, and I will explain about my question and the answer provided by the presenter. So the presenter is Ma'am Fortuna Sari. She is a lecturer from Universitas Jambi. The presentation title is The Alignment Between Classroom Teaching Practices and the Cognitive Demands of ANK Items in Junior High Schools of Jambi City. So basically, her presentation is about how the classroom teaching practices is not aligning with the ANBK or the National Assessment computer based. So she emphasized about how we have to use or apply the method of understanding while teaching and not the method or technique to memorize. So my question is based on my experience of teaching a friend with limited English skills that they have. So when I try to teach them, I struggle to organize the concepts she needed to understand. Ultimately, I had to notes for her to memorize common English words. This concentrated with Mem Fortuna presentation, which emphasized understanding over memorization. I then asked Mem Fortuna whether I, as a prospective educator, should teach entirely from understanding perspective or continue to use memorization technique, even if only minimally. Her answer is quite simple. She emphasized that high school students should stop using the memorization technique because it is not reliable. In my case, my friend that I have mentioned before is a high school student. So, Ma'am Fortuna suggested me to add more context to my teachings and describe the context and the concept. So the students aren't just memorizing but also understanding the concept. I was not satisfied with her answer, but I do heavily agree with the superiority of understanding concept instead of just memorizing. But for some reason, me myself is having a hard time explaining context. I then realized that as a prospective educator, I should I should learn how to do it, how to explain context and whole concept instead of just instructing my students to memorizing. So after her explanation and a little bit of thinking, I realized that I really shouldn't be applying the memorization method on studying because it's not aligning with the national assignment computer based, which is her whole point in this research. So next time I should learn more about how to explain the context and not just teach and then ask my students or my friends that I have teach to memorize because it is not aligning with the NBK, especially if if I want to if I'm going to teach the high school student. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.